Zoom and Groom Dog Groomers. Welcome to your training website. Throughout this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the website. You will learn about Zoom and Groom and its mission through the orientation. And you will learn the essentials of dog grooming, which include how to clip dogs' nails, cleaning dog ears, and bathing a dog. And then you'll finally answer a tough question about what you would do in a certain situation through the discussion section. So right now would be when you click on the navigation section to get started. And that's located right up here. The first thing that you're going to do is get orientated to Zoom and Groom and its mission. To do this, you'd click the orientation section, and then you would go through this Prezi presentation. This will give you a good idea of what Zoom and Groom's about and how it was started. Once you've went through this whole Prezi about Zoom and Groom and its history, you will then move on to the first section of learning how to clip dog nails. In this tutorial, you will find a very thorough guide, and you will also be completing a quiz at the end of this tutorial. The next section on this website, and one of the key things to learn for being a dog groomer, is learning how to clean dog ears. So you'll click on this tab up here to be taken to a novio of a complete tutorial on how to clean all types of dogs' ears, from small breeds to large breeds. Once you've learned how to thoroughly clean a dog's ears and prevent infections, you will then move on to the last step, which is this tab up here of dog bathing. In this section, you will watch a detailed video tutorial on how to give a dog a proper bath. Once you have watched this video tutorial on how to give a dog a proper bath and have learned how to actually do one yourself, you will move on to the discussion section. In this area, you will just simply answer this discussion question so we can gauge your response to a difficult scenario. Upon completion of this discussion question, you will have went through the complete dog grooming training website, and this includes the orientation to Zoom and Groom, learning how to clip a dog's nails and what to do in case anything goes wrong, cleaning dogs' ears to prevent infections, and also how to give a dog a proper bath and keep them clean and good looking. So, this concludes our tutorial of how to navigate the dog groomer's training website for Zoom and Groom.